everyone, this is Juhi. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is all about a Nykaa haul. Actually, recently there are some really insane discounts going on Nykaa, so I decided to shop. Nothing fancy, all drugstore products. So let's dive right into the video. Also, at the end of the video, I'm going to share two products that I really swear by. So if you want to know, stay tuned. To start with, this time whatever I ordered in a gift box. So this is how it came. So I really loved this box. I mean, it feels like someone has gifted you all these things, which is not true, but then let's assume. So let's start with makeup products. So recently I watched this TV series Masaba, and suddenly I started liking Masaba, so I ordered 3 lip colors from Masaba. So these are those 3 lip colors. One is in Can't Deal, then Touch Me Not, and Nibubani. Strange names, no? So this one is Can't Deal. It's pure orange lip shade. I never use orange lip shade, but I wanted to try one, so I ordered this, and it's nice. I tried and I loved it. The other one is Nibubani. This is how it looks. It's nude shade, and it's not very dull. Actually, it has that hint of pink, so it looks nice. I liked it. And the third one is Touch Me Not. This is how it looks. Okay, this is, I would say this is a party color because it gives you that hot look. I liked it, really liked it. It's pinkish red in shade. And also I ordered one lip liner from K Beauty. This is my first purchase from K Beauty. It's called High Impact, and this is the shade. Okay, so I already swatched it. Actually, I swatched it 15 minutes ago and it's still there. I mean, this lip liner, it dries off really quick, and it is smudge proof, like really smudge proof. It won't smudge unless you take it off with a makeup remover, so that's a nice thing. I was searching something. Anyway, also from Masaba, I bought this nail paint. Actually, they provide this combination of one nail paint along with one lip color, so I bought this one with one of the lip colors. So this is it about makeup. So let's move on to makeup removers. This is Garnier Micellar Water. This is my second or third bottle. I've already used it and I really love it. Does its job really well. So, and after that I go in with a cleansing milk. This is from Nivea. Nivea cleansing milk I'm going to try for the first time. I've tried other ones before, but cleansing milk is cleansing milk. It's going to do its job, and that's it. And also I ordered Light Complete Moisturizing Serum and Lotion from Garnier. I wanted something which is light that I can apply in daytime on my face as well as body, because I work in a clinic and I'm a dentist, so we have to now, because of COVID, we're not supposed to use air condition, and also we wear those PPEs, so that's very suffocating and also a lot humid. So I wanted something that is non-greasy but moisturizing at the same time, because I have dry skin. So I think this will work well because it's very light. Cholo, फिर moving on next, start with hair products. Lately my hair were going through a lot of problems, so I ordered 5 shampoo from Biotic. These are, chalo, first one is Bio Green Apple shampoo. It's fresh daily purifying shampoo and conditioner. It smells really nice. It smells just like real green apple, no artificial flavors whatsoever. I love the fragrance of this one. The other one is Fresh Nourishing Shampoo for dry, damaged and color treated hair. It's called Bio Soya Protein. Okay. Then Bio Walnut Bark. It's for volumizing shampoo. Then Bio Kelp. It's called protein shampoo for falling hair. And then Bio Neem, that is anti-dandruff. So these two I used today itself, and I know I need to use it a couple of times more to give an appropriate review, but as of now I loved it, especially the protein shampoo for falling hair. I could see the difference. My hair fall was not as much as usual, so I think this will work for me. Also, I ordered one hair mask from Vela. It's called Nutri Curls. It claims that it tames down the frizz and also maintains your natural curls and waves at the same time. I'm yet to try this. If you want to know about the reviews, let me know, comment down below and let me know about it. I am so sorry, this is my first ever video and I am not at all used to and good at it, so please bear with me. Moving on to the shower gels, I ordered one from Bath and Body Works. This is my first purchase from Bath and Body Works, and also because one of my friend recommended, so I ordered it. It smells really nice. Its fragrance is, I loved it. And when it comes to shower gel, I only go by the fragrance. If I like the fragrance, then only I'll buy it, otherwise And also the one from the Body Shop, White Musk Smoky Rose. I've tried plenty of shower gels from Body Shop and I always love it, no doubts about it. And also I ordered few bars. Ooh. These are for my parents, because you know, older generation, so they don't like shower gels much, so they use bars, so I ordered these. These three are from Medimix and Sandal flavor, and this one is from Wadi and this one is from Organic Harvest, and this one is also from Medimix. I loved the fragrance of this one. I'm going to steal this one. And the bar is also the transparent one, not the usual one. Nice fragrance. Okay, and on all this shopping I got a free gift. Okay, so I got a free gift from Nykaa Go for Glow Peel Off Mask, made in Korea. I am yet to try this mask. I'll let you know about the reviews, but I already like it because they provide it with a little spatula, and I just love it because this peel off masks are very sticky and then it gets messy, so it's good that they're providing this spatula, so it will be easier to apply. Now moving on to the two products that I swear by. One is of course the hair product, and it's the argan oil of Morocco from OGX. Actually, it is written that it's oil, but it's not sticky at all, and I use it as a serum. After washing hair, you just need a peanut size amount and you have to apply it on the wet hair after washing your hair, of course, and it really tames down the frizz and makes your hair silky and feel soft. Matlab, it's been 6 to 7 months that I've been trying this product, and I can guarantee you it's a must have if you have this frizzy hair problem, especially when you wash it and on the same day it becomes very frizzy. If you know, you know. So this is the product. It will tame down that frizz and also will make your hair look very silky and manageable and soft to feel. And last but not the least, I already took it off the box. This is the NYX palette, lip color palette from NYX. So this is the box. These are the lip shades. You get 36 lip shades in this box, and you can also see the swatches of all the lip shades. Actually, I ordered this one long ago. I think it's been more than 1 year that I ordered this, and it's not available on Nykaa anymore. So I feel so lucky and precious. I feel so lucky that I have this palette, and no one can buy it now because it's not available on Nykaa. So 36 products, imagine, and it came only for around 10k. So it's a really good deal. And whichever you name the shade and you have it in the palette. So it's really nice. I feel lucky to have this palette. So if you want to see a swatch video of all these lip shades, so please comment down below and let me know. I will do it for you. That's it for today's video. And I know that I'm really not good at it, and also not habituated to making all these videos, but I tried my best, and I hope I could convey the message and reviews the way I wanted to. Whatever questions you have, you can ask me in the comments down below, and also let me know which video you would want to see in the next YouTube. And until then, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.